My toys listen. Okay, so listen, point, and repeat.
A teddy bear on the toy box. A toy soldier under the toy box. A ballerina in the toy box.
So try to repeat after the speaker.
A teddy bear on the toy box. A toy soldier under the toy box. A ballerina in the toy box.
Excellent. Have you repeated them? Okay, so here we have a teddy bear on the toy box, a toy soldier under the toy box, and a ballerina in the toy box. This is the toy box. Toy box. Toy box. Great. Okay, so the first one here we have a teddy bear under the bed. A teddy bear under the bed. Where is the teddy bear? Who is sitting under the bed? Yes, this one under the bed. This is the bed, and the teddy bear is under the bed. So let's match this number one with F. Yes, great. A toy soldier under the table. Where is the table? Yeah, this is the table. And where is the toy soldier? We have two toy soldiers. So here, the toy soldier who is under the table, not on the table, but under the table. So number two is B. 3. A ballerina on the toy box. On. Okay, so here we have two toy boxes, and here we have a ballerina who is dancing on the toy box, and this one is in the toy box. So here we have on, not in. So let's match 3 with E. Then a toy soldier on the table. So we said that we have two toy soldiers. This one is under the table, and this one is on the table. And here we have on, not in or under. So on is this one. On the table. A teddy bear is in the bed. Okay, so we have seen this one who is sitting under the bed, and this one is in the bed. So here 5, we should match it with D. Then the last one, here we have a ballerina in the toy box, in, not on, but in the toy box. So 6 with C. Great. So now let's ask, is it on the table? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Is it under the table? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. So this is the question, and these are the answers. You can answer by yes or no. Okay, so listen.
Is it in the toy box? No, it isn't. Is it on the toy box? No, it isn't. Is it on the table? Yes, it is. It's the toy soldier.
Okay, because it's on the table. On the table. Great.
Is it on the toy box? No, it isn't. Is it under the bed? No, it isn't. Is it in the bed? Yes, it is. It's the teddy bear.
The teddy bear is in the bed. Great.
Is it on the toy box? No, it isn't. Is it in the bed? No, it isn't. Is it under the table? Yes, it is. It's the toy soldier.
Yes, because it's under the table, the toy soldier.
Is it on the table? No, it isn't. Is it under the table? No, it isn't. Is it in the toy box? Yes, it is. It's the ballerina.
Because it's in in the toy box?
Is it in the bed? No, it isn't. Is it on the table? No, it isn't. Is it on the toy box? Yes, it is. It's the ballerina.
It's the ballerina because it's on the toy box.
Is it on the table? No, it isn't. Is it under the table? No, it isn't. Is it under the bed? Yes, it is. It's the teddy bear.
Yes, teddy bear is under the bed. Now let's move on. We have here a song.
Toy box, come and see. Toys for you, toys for me. Look in my toy box, come and see. Toys for you, toys for me.
Ballerina, a soldier too, a teddy bear, for me and you. A ballerina, a soldier too, a teddy bear, for me and you. It's a beautiful song. I hope you like it or you love it. Okay, now I have here a cartoon for you, a video to watch.
Look at my toy soldier, Nanny. Look at my ballerina, Nanny.
Ooh, where is Charlie's teddy bear? Is it on the table?
No, it isn't.
Is it under the bed?
No, it isn't.
But where is Charlie's teddy bear?
Where is Charlie's teddy bear? Oh, we don't know. We don't know. Where is Charlie's teddy bear? Where is Charlie's teddy bear? I don't know. We don't know.
A teddy bear on the toy box. A toy soldier under the toy box. A ballerina in the toy box.
Great. Okay, so we have seen this before. Thank you for watching. Try to read this. Okay, read it and watch it again and again. And see you in another class. Okay, up till then I will miss you. Thank you. Goodbye.